Welcome to Tigaliper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to create partition in Windows 11 laptop or desktop computers. Now, at first, what you have to do is just go to your start, then just right click on your start and click on disk management. And you can also open your file explorer and go to this PC. Here you can see I have only five local drives here. So then just go to the disk management again. Now in here, you cannot mess with any healthy partition or recovery partition. You need logical drives like this. And after you have found one of them which you want to shrink, just right click on them and click on shrink volume. Now just wait, it is querying the volume available for shrink. Then in here, just put the amount you want to shrink. Now I'm gonna shrink almost about 30 GB. Now 1024 MBs are equal to 1 GB. So 3000 MB should be almost equal to 30 GB. Click on shrink, then just wait. This depends on the speed of your hard disk. And there you go, it has been shrinked. Now to create a partition using it, just right click on it. Then click on new simple volume, click on next again. Give it a letter. You can give any letter from the alphabet that you haven't used yet. Then click on next again. Click on next, click on finish. Then just wait, it will format and the new drive will be set. Then just go to this PC again. Now, as you can see, I have 6 local drives and a partition has been created here. And basically that is how to create partition in Windows 11 laptop or desktop computers. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.